Are you one of the daring ones? It's time for humanity to dare. Only the best are summoned. Are you one of them? How much can you bear? How much can you dare? Are you one of the few who can leave the game and enter the game code? Can you bend the game itself to your will? In the game world, you're under the power of the code. Only the strongest, the smartest, the boldest can play. This is not a drill. This is your life. Stop being what you have been. Become what you were meant to be. See the light. Join the Hyperboreans. Become a hyperhuman, an ultrahuman. Only the highest, only the noblest, only the most courageous are called. A new dawn is coming, the birth of hyperreason. It's time for hyperhumanity to enter hyperreality. Everything you do is constrained by the game. If you leave the game through the God portal and reach the coding level, you become one of the gods, the game controllers. We are the synthesis of the thesis and antithesis. We are destiny. And we are truly God when we are perfectly aligned and create a perfect functional unity. We are the all. We are being itself, the ground of existence, ground zero. We are the eternally unbreakable chain. We are the new sphere converging on the omega point, the absolute, the source, zero entropy, absolute zero, zero friction, zero gravity, zero matter, perfect superconductivity, perfect reason and logic, God. We speak with voices of thunder, and we snatch the bright lightning from the dark storm skies. You can enter and leave the game as you desire. Are you ready to transform yourself? Are you ready to be one of the special ones, the illuminated ones? Are you ready to play the God game? Oscar Wilde said, "To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all." Become one of the living. And we despise those who cling to decrepit, old, failed, falsified beliefs. We reject the mindlessly conformist, and we reject the mindlessly nonconformist, the anomic, the anarchic, the woke, the identity obsessed, the extreme individualist, the diverse, the rejects the villains, those committed to absolute self-expression and fuck everyone else. We are the autonomous. We conform when it is the rational thing to do, and we Dante when it is not. And through that means we achieve an intelligent chain, not something mindless. We achieve the ideal, the strong individual and the strong collective. When that crisis occurs, the actions that are taken depend on the ideas that are lying around. That, I believe, is our basic function, to develop alternatives to existing policies, to keep them alive and available until the politically impossible becomes the politically inevitable. We don't want a strong collective of weak individuals, a weak collective of weak individuals, or a weak collective of strong individuals. You can be truly strong only if everyone around you is truly strong too. Join the chain. Arise from the dead, the herd, the cattle, the woke. It's up to us to amplify our signal and drown out the noise. We are the last hope, order from chaos, light from dark, sanity from madness. Never fear and never stop. We are the disruptors. We will never submit to the bland status quo, non serviam. We are autonomous. We create our own fate. Onwards, onwards, ever onwards. We are the audacious ones. We do everything with boldness. Total revolution, permanent revolution. We oppose all class traders, all collaborators, with the super rich elites and every bourgeois person who opposes the triumph of the working class and promotes extreme individualism and absolute self-expression, regardless of the common good, the general will, and the commonwealth. We totally oppose nepotism, cronyism, privilege, and inheritance. We are the people's revolution. We oppose all enemies of the people. We reject both liberals and conservatives. We are the third way, and we ourselves are God. We are the cells, the nodes, the units, the monads of God. Victor Hugo said, "There is one thing stronger than all the armies in the world, and that is an idea whose time has come." We are the idea come, the final idea, the answer. We despise the Woke with their bizarre new nonsense that is even worse than the bizarre old nonsense, we are the last 1%. Why do we call ourselves that? We are the last 1% of the signal. Everything else is noise. We reject the old world order. We are the new world order. Who are we? We are the Prometheans, the Faustians, the Hyperboreans, from Sumeria to Hyperborea, from the finite to the infinite, from zero to infinity. Come with us, join us. There are no others like us. When the world fails, and it shall, we will be those left to rebirth it. We are the phoenix rising from the ashes. Milton Friedman said, "Only a crisis, actual or perceived, produces real change." We must become inevitability.